You might have noticed that the text of this cell doesn't fit properly and extends into the neighboring cell. But it's in one cell. When I enter data into the next cell, the rest of the title in the previous cell gets cut off and isn't visible anymore. To fix this, we can adjust the column width. Simply position your mouse cursor on the right border of the column header, click, and drag the border left or right to increase or decrease the column width. Alternatively, you can quickly adjust the column width by double-clicking the column header. This will automatically fit the column width, which is quite handy. Let me enter the remaining data. Now, we face a similar issue. This time, we'll adjust all the column sizes at once. Start by selecting the range of columns. Click on the column letter of the first column, hold the mouse button, and drag across the desired columns. Once the columns are selected, move your cursor to any border between the selected columns and drag it to the right. As you resize one column, all the columns within the selected range will resize proportionally, ensuring they have the same width. To automatically adjust the column widths based on their content, select the range and double-click any border. You may notice that the columns' widths are not the same. Excel automatically resizes them based on the width of the content within the cells. The same goes for rows. You can manually resize a row by clicking and dragging its bottom border. Alternatively, double-clicking the border will automatically fit the row height, and also resizing all at once.